Right, I'm under the car today, following on from the cabin filter change that I did. I'm going to do the air filter today. There's my dog trying to steal my thunder. So we need to take the under tray off. It splits in two parts. You've got your back part here, want to leave that on. This is the front part we're taking off today. There's loads of fixings on it, so I'm going to try and go over them as quick as I can. There's a clip here which we need to watch when we take it out, and it's mirrored on the other side. This is the solid part here, fixed to this, and it hooks over into this one. So you just need to watch that when we do take it off, so we don't end up breaking them. Now you need a T30 Torx bit, or key, whatever you're using for all of these. So going from the centre of the car with each group of screws, there's 5 here in these circle recesses, 1 in the middle, 2 either side, with a square one on each end. Then go to the front of the car, dead centre again, Torx screw, either side of it, another Torx screw, a little bit further in. Yeah, I'll put my lamp on the rear for a better light, because I actually missed those first time around. Easy to miss. Further along, you should have one there. I don't. I'm missing 1 Torx and 2 Phillips, I think. And then come to the edge of the car, right in the corner, another one. Right in the corner near the wheel trim this time, near the right close to the tyre. Right in the corner, another one. Then come along into the corner, 1 more Torx, and that should be all your Torx bits all the way along. Worst case scenario, you miss one and you'll know when it don't come off. Then you should have 3 Phillips head screws here. Now they actually screw onto this part, so I always leave this one till last, or you should leave these 3 if you like till last, but I'm missing 2 of those. I just haven't replaced them yet, so I'll go ahead and fast forward this bit, take all this down. One thing before I do, when you do get all the screws out, I'll save that one till last, because it's easier to slide. The front tray needs to come back underneath this tray, because I'll show you once it's out, there's two fins at the front of the car, sort of in the corners, which you need to, when you put it back on, you need to put them in first, so they need to come out last, and it needs to slide back this way. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this bit, and I've shown you where they all are. Here are the fins. On the corners that I was talking about. Just when you put it back, they need to go in first. And then, like I said, it's easier to get a fix in right back here. On the Phillips ones, now this might actually be easier to skip to in the video. I'll put that in the comments, that you can see where each and every screw should be. You can actually see that mine, there's the clips I was on about, the other side of mine has been broken off when it's been worked on before. Yeah, I'll just give that a blow down and a quick wipe while it's off the car. Now we've got the under tray off, we're back under the car, right near the front driver side tyre, right in the corner. And there's the housing for your air filter. 3 7mm sockets. There, and then next to this one you can see the locating lug, so you can't put it on the wrong way. Just drop that one out. pipe cleaner, just all over in there in case there's any, like, you know, when you get broken up leaves in there, any dirt sat in any crevices we can't see. I've gone for the pipe across filter. Gonna see what sort of sound, if any sound, it sort of adds to the car. Sort of look forward to it. Hoping it's not going to be too much, but we'll see if it makes any difference at all. There's a ring in the top that sits inside this one, so just when you put it in, just wobble it about sort of somewhere near center so it can find it, and then it will hold itself once it's in position. Locate and look back on this bit here. It's only plastic, so we're not going to go mad with the tightening of the screws. That's the air filter done. I'm not going to video myself putting the air tray back on. That's pretty boring. I've shown you how to take it off. It's the exact same, putting it back on. What I'll do at the end of this video is just you know, have the camera at the front of the car so you can hear any difference in the engine bay as I rev. See if it makes any change to the sound there. I'll do it from the driver seat with the window down, just on the driveway. I'm not taking it out for a drive, and then I'll put it near the exhaust as well so you can see. But that's the air filter done. It doesn't take long at all once you get the tray off. What I'd usually do is I'd do the oil filter while I'm under here as well, which I'm going to be doing probably another weekend. But you know, just in case you're just watching one video at a time, I'm going to do the under tray with each job that I do that it needs to come off for. But that's the air filter done. Second part of the service playlist that I'm doing. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.